Next up, we have a selection of exciting Easter gift ideas to bring you a burst of joy and colour into your home this season.
Yes, and here to show us it's gifting guru Laura Jordan. Laura, you're very welcome.
Thank you very much for having me.
We're having a real Easter moment here in the studio.
We are.
Easter
morning. Has arrived. It's 3 weeks away, but the time is now to get the decorations and to get your house ready to go for the first, I suppose, season post-Christmas and the beautiful selections we have here today. I'm going to talk you through the different options for your home.
It seems we have something for everyone here today.
I would say so.
Lots of bunnies.
Options. Bunnies is the main theme, absolutely. Carraig Donn have outdone themselves this year in terms of the variety of products they have and the collections that they have produced for this season. We'll start over with the softies, and these are, I think, my favourites because of the telescopic legs, which you can't quite see on this far bunny, but she is about 4 foot tall here, but she kind of...
you can squish her down.
Squish her right down, almost like an umbrella mechanism inside, and it's such a gorgeous addition to make impact in the home. Like, it'll sit beside a fireplace door, and I just think the novelty factor alone of even gifting her and seeing her come to life with the legs is incredible. And
Does
similarly
this one have
for her
legs?
little friend. Yes, right beside Elaine as well.
I don't want to ruin your piece,
he
but like
can go really tall. Yes.
There we go.
So again, the novelty factor, packing them away nice and small, and they're, I would say, a lot of fun for
I meant to do that demonstration.
A statement piece, you would say, now for any home.
I would indeed. Yes, and if you want to do something a little bit smaller but still have that softy element, that nice kind of cosy touch, we have the ones that sit on the tabletop, which you can see at the front there, and just have their little legs dangling over the side. So again, a great option for a mantelpiece or table if you want to add something a bit softer and a little bit more kind of play friendly. That's
the kids can play with.
Exactly.
And then, because there's so many Easter parties and Easter egg hunts as well, so it's lovely to have the place decorated for that.
Exactly. And even from the gifting perspective, probably when we look at the smaller pieces, if you don't want to bring more chocolate to someone's home, you know, how do we get something different that is a nice gift idea as well as we head towards Easter? So when we have the children covered off as we have, and even I think the child and all of us with the telescopic legs and the softies, the next pieces we look at are kind of the more decorative only, sort of look and don't touch pieces.
Fancier bits. Kids steer clear of them.
Steer clear of these because they are playful but not to be played with is probably the main.
Breakable, basically.
There you go. And I think my favourite from this collection is the bunnies on the Vespa, because you just don't expect to see it, and yet it looks absolutely fantastic and adds that little piece of quirk to your Easter table and decorative spaces. And at the front, we've got even this little bunny here playing with the egg, and the full stories and collections you can kind of build around that, I think, is really exciting. And when we're looking at the buildability of these, I know Carraig Donn often have new pieces, but they also stick with their collections that you can build over the years. Exactly.
And just, it's nice to add every year.
I think so. Extend the family, so to speak, with these gorgeous pieces. So we have, again, you can see at the front there, the gorgeous little dangly legs that we can see in that can sit at the edge or side of a table or piece that just adds a little bit more dimension and something a little bit more unusual. And then when we look at our tableware, so if you'd like something that has a function as well as an aesthetic appearance for Easter, this is a good option. This is the Chic collection, and it is kind of your quintessential porcelain-esque look with the white and blue detail through it.
This has an expensive feel to it, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Yeah. I feel like that's a good plate now and a good mug that comes out at a certain time of the year. And with even the decorative bunnies here, which are added to the table as you go, it just gives a little bit more elegance to the pieces that you might already have.
Carraig Donn have gone for like a chic blue theme
they
here
have.
with this,
the little check is very in this season, and I see they've brought it into the outfits for the bunnies. So there's no detail left unmatched here in the way this is put together and the way that it looks when it's all beautifully styled. And even the tiny little what I'd call a mini egg holder at the front there for your little treats to have with a cup of tea or in the centre of a coffee table is just a nice addition. And then the vase piece, which is the bunny, has almost kind of flowers coming out of his little basket on the back of his the back of his shape there is a cute addition as well. So just thinking a little bit unusually and having dual functions and purposes to the gifts is helpful too.
And it's nice to have the tableware as well, because it can be like very much like Christmas is. Easter can be a family occasion as well.
Absolutely.
So you bring out the kind of good Easter wear and everyone can join in and makes it more of an occasion.
I agree, it really is. And when we're looking at sort of the more I suppose traditional decorating pieces, we can see in the wreaths here, you associate wreaths like traditionally with Christmas, but they've been really brought in for an every time experience, whether it be your autumn wreath, your spring wreath. And what I like about this one that's up here on the display is that it's evergreen, for want of a better word. You don't have to replace any items on it because it'll go back into a lovely box and some tissue and ready to come out again the next year. So with this one, it'll bring out the pastel tones. If you have seeing a lot of like pink and eggshell coloured front doors right now. Yeah. And even adding that into it is a nice way of showing the season in the weeks before Easter as well as the weekend itself. And then we also have the garland at the front, which can be draped nicely in front of your table areas or even like your entrance hallways. And with this, there's just the speckled eggs in all of the different tones and colours. And I feel like one of these makes big impact. You know, sometimes like, if I buy one thing, is it just going to get a bit lost in my house? Yeah. Whereas something like a garland or a wreath, there's quite a lot of volume in it. So it makes a visual impact without having to go to huge effort in the pieces that you're adding in with it. And then
the ceramics are lovely,
aren't they? Yeah, we've got the ceramics we saw in the blue chic kind of
blue
collection.
Blue is very much the aesthetic, isn't it, this year?
Yes, and then we're seeing it through in the what I'd call more practical ceramics, the end of the table, where you can see the beautiful cake display there on the stand, just giving a little bit of height and ceremony to something as simple as a cake you might be serving for dessert or people are calling in, and then a simple basket with the eggs in it ready to go. So the Easter egg hunt's very popular on Easter Sunday. So an interesting way and a very chic way to collect your eggs could be in a nice ceramic basket like that. And then you have your Easter motif lettering at the very front. So again, if you know the colour scheme of a guest or you have your own ideas for how you'd like to build and blend with your own aesthetic in your home, there's a way of doing that.
All about the tablescaping.
Tablescaping is the word,
I'm
isn't
telling
it?
you, the buzzword.
And again, putting all the pieces together and giving impact in the collection can be useful. And in speaking of impact, our last piece there is our gorgeous Easter tree.
Well, I was looking at this now. This is an all-round sort of piece.
I love it.
This would be lovely in any room all year round.
And I thought it was like a ring or like, you know, like fairy lights you put on it. But no, they're attached to it.
They are attached. And again, they've got it nicely lighting there. But if you wanted to, you know, have it in the evening time, that's going to add impact. But the whole rest of the day, it looks just as good without the lights activated on it. And you could add some individual decorations if you wished, which we'll see in a second, because we have a non-lit up tree just here as a prop in the background. But what I notice on it is the decorations that you can add almost is like a tradition of decorating the tree, like at Christmas time, with these small little
eggs and bunnies
here. Exactly. So you've got some items that you can add on, or even you could use some ribbon as details to it as you go through it. So it's just about creating those, I suppose, rituals and experiences, whether it be with your family or yourself, to create a lovely sort of new awakening concept in your home, because we've had so much rain, we've had so much dark days. It's lovely to embrace the spring, and Easter is, I suppose, the most traditional time to do it.
Yeah.
So it's nice to have it around the corner.
I love the little Easter eggs. They're
I know.
Such lovely collectibles,
Aren't they gorgeous? And again, that collectibles is the word. You can add from year to year or change it up as you go. And again, no more than the wreaths, we're seeing the ideas of having, you know, trees that have memory or sentimentality in your home all times of the year. So having an additional items you add on for spring or Easter is just a nice way to note the changing seasons, like a calendar of sorts, in terms of how we're moving through the year rather than just dates and times.
And all these are available, of course.
All from Carraig Donn in their stores, and the full collection is available on their website as well.
And more importantly, make sure you all eat lots of chocolate.
We are going to. There's lots of chocolate here on the table.
I'm quite attached to this bunny. He's got his Easter bonnet and everything on. Isn't he lovely?
Yeah.
Very cute altogether.
I'm looking at that cake.
Of course you are. Have you not had enough meringue
Not
yet?
yet. You'll be thinking.
Anyway, thank you so much for joining us this morning, Laura. Now, still to come